Okay guys, back to another YouTube video. This is fireworks part 3. Whoa! Whoa!
The rest are all freaking sucking.
No, our eyes are. Mama,
Yeah.
do you like it? I'll light it for you.
It'll go out in a minute.
In 1 minute, we're like 15. Jacob.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, boys. Yeah, we got a sparkler. Look at that. That keeps going on and on.
No, let Puff do those. I will do the big blue one then.
No.
Where's the light?
Okay. Fixing to do the next firework.
Oh no, you had it.
Wait, Jacob.
So yeah. Thank gosh I'm posting this on the internet because this is amazing. When we did them at the day, those were just little nothings.
Wait a minute, guys. What? Just
Yay!
let some of the smoke clear out so we can see everything.
Okay guys, we're fixing to do my firecrackers. Yes, my firecrackers! My firecrackers! Yay! Okay guys, next firework.
Get back this way.
Okay guys.
Big blue?
Woohoo! Whoa!
Yeah, baby. Oh, I feel like the gold, what's that? What's that movie? The Gold Mine or Gold? No, like, with that, like, bald guy that goes, oh yeah. Something like that.
Go
Yeah, I feel like the British guy. Oh yeah, baby.
Was that 96?
No, that was what it said, but it wasn't 96.
He shot about 20.
Bottle rocket, boys!
Jacob.
Oh!
Hey.
Ah.
You go and try to have him off like that. You just take this piece out from this piece right here. You're up, but get him away from him. You can take the
Okay, we're using one. Woohoo! Eat it! Okay, another bottle rocket.
Yeah.
What happened?
It exploded at the quartet.
Oh, never mind.
Okay, guys, I got a sparkler. So,
Pull it hard.
woohoo!
Just pull it. Jerk it out.
I think it will.
No, it's not gonna go
No,
anywhere,
it'll
baby.
be alright.
Go ahead.
Pull it. As long as you don't pull it towards your face. Pull it. Pull it hard. Pull the string. Pull it. Ryan, watch out. Y'all get, you jerk the string.
All right, here we go. Bottle rocket.
Bottle rocket too.
Pull hard. Not yet.
Okay.
Real Get
Flare.
pop, but then
Hey, can I use one?
things out the end of it.
Yes, it is. It's right here.
Oh, then, hey, you see, come out.
What?
It's a dud. There you go.
Oh, you're welcome, Mom.
Oh, frick.
Mom.
I can't press it with my fingers no more.
I can.
Oh, 4th of July.
Where is
party. Right here. Take it out there now.
Not them. Them's hard.
No, they gotta get grounded up. I'm trying.
Hang on, hang on, hang
Okay,
on.
that was a dud.
Watch out, Pop.
Hey, can I have one?
Oh,
Can I have like a handful? Can I have like a handful?
That's all that's left.
Oh.
Oh, crap. Hold that like that. Hey, I still got a ball rocket left. Hold it away from it, yeah.
I still got. Go put it in that tube over there. I still got
Move it
two
around a
bottles.
little bit.
Yeah, move it around, Bryce.
I got it. Move it around. Yeah.
I still got firecrackers inside though. Wait, we still got some fireworks right here.
Yeah, these ones.
Those are just poppers, guys.
Can I have the poppers? Josh has some. Yay! Okay, guys, I got poppers. I got the last ones.
Let me see how stick when you're done.
I got the last poppers.
Guess what you
There
guys are
we
doing
go.
tomorrow?
Picking up stuff.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, this is gonna take forever.
Alright, Bryce,
Pick
you
up.
gotta be careful with that ball rocket. That was in there. Hey, Mom, here's your lighter.
No?
The lighter's on Shane's car.
Really? Ow! Woo! Ow!
Wait, did anybody get a picture of mine?
Wait.
Or any of like
I got him in the toe.
recording of like the really good ones?
You guys.
Josh, did you
Ow!
get- Brian, you got a recording of like the really good ones.
Yeah. Ow!
Josh. You popped it literally on Ryan.
We'll give
Stop!
him $50 or $75 one time. It's about this big around.
My nuts.
That thing's shot.
Nice.
I caught it. I caught the one you just threw it.
Across my whole house.
Between your legs.
Okay, goodbye, guys.